Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a game on Scratch. If you don't know what Scratch is, it's a game development software where you can make games and also play games other developers have made. So for materials, all you're going to need is a laptop/Chromebook and Wi-Fi. There are a couple steps that you're going to have to follow. So step 1, logging in, of course. So you just have to press sign in and then whatever your username and password is. Then you gotta wait. And once you're in, getting started, so once you log in, press create on the top near the Scratch logo. So this would be the Scratch logo, so right here is create. So you press on that, and then here's your game. But I'm just showing you from a different game that I just made on how to make it, so we're not going to use that. So I'm going to go to my stuff, and I'm going to show you how I made this game. So, start by naming your game. So you can edit the name at the top of your screen, then pick what asset you want to use. So you edit your name, and then down here there's sprites and backdrops and stuff like that. What else do we have? I'm reading from a script here on my phone, so I'm going to be messing up quite a bit. You should start with sprites and backdrops. They're both found at the bottom right of your screen. The type of game I am making will need at least 2 sprites. You can add more if you want. So, in this case, I have a couple, because more stars are going to spawn in. Now let me show you how I make this. First, we have movement and death. So, when green flag... Oh yeah, wait, let me show you the final product first. So it's a very simple game that you have to avoid the stars, and then every couple seconds another star appears, and if you touch the star, you die. So, when you click this green flag up here, it starts the game. And so when you click that, it goes to wherever your mouse is. So as you can see, if my mouse is here, the dog follows. And then if it's touching a star, so one of these stars, you just play the sound pew, which is that death sound I made, which you can change that to whatever you want. And then it stops all script. So as you can see, if you touch it, I can't move anymore. And I have to press this flag again to continue. And then I also have if touching star 2 and all of the other ones. So then, this is our movement and death. This is just the music we have, so play sound dance space and sound space ambience. You can change that as well. But right now it's going to play this. And then that. And that's it. So then we have, this is just the timer. So as you can see, every second the timer goes. And that's just a simple code of set timer to 0 when you press the start, and then forever wait 1 second, and every second it'll change the time by 1. And then this is just, I put in my score, so you can do whatever if you want to add that or not. And that's actually it for the code for the dot. And then we have star, which is simply just when the green flag is clicked, switch the costume to star. I don't know why there's switch costume to star. There's only one star, but and then you set the position, and then point in whatever direction, and then bam, you have your star that spawns in. And then to actually move it, you have when green flag clicked, forever, glide 1 second to random position. So every second he's going to change positions, as you can see. Now, if on edge, the star will bounce. So if it is going all the way and it hits an edge, it's going to bounce off the edge. So it's not hitting any edges, but it would. Yeah, like that. And then we have turn 30 degrees. So if it hits an edge and every 1 second, it'll just turn around. And if touching the dog thing, it'll stop all. And then for the star 2 and the rest of them, I just put this code together, so we still have the wait 5 seconds, and then it'll spawn in. And then after it spawns in, it'll set the things, and then forever glide to, and I changed the code of it so it's a bit easier, every 1.1 second instead, so it's like, it'll glide to a random position. If on edge it'll bounce, it'll turn 15 degrees instead of 30, I think it was 30 over here. Yep. And then same thing for if touching dot, then stop all. And we also have when green flag clicked, hide. So as you can see, if I press this, there's only going to be one star here. And then after 5 seconds, you'll see the other star appeared. And that happened by wait 5 seconds and then show. So then all this script is done. And then you could just copy paste the script for the last ones, but then I added 10 seconds and 10 seconds, and I made it a bit easier again. And there you have it. That's to make a very simple game on Scratch. And then you can also choose whatever sprite you want and either backdrop. So as you can see, you can switch to backdrop to basketball, and it'll be a basketball drop. But I just went with space. Where'd it go? I'm not the best at making tutorials, but I think it should be good enough to get you started. And as you can see, bam, you have your game. And now you just press save now when you're finished. And you could also share your project if you wanted to. So you'd press share, and then you'd say, simple game I made to show people how to make games. And then notes and credits, which it was all me. And then there you have it. Might wanna, yes, yeah. And then bam, you just press share. You could also make like a little title screen if you wanted to, but I didn't. I press share, and now it's published to the public, so anyone can play it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.